Welcome to the new global age, where fights take place around the world and promotions kick in as if we were still in Las Vegas. This event in Macau is making a huge impact in Asia and around the world.
You've promoted all over the world. What foreign promotion for you stands out and why?
Well, the one that sticks out and is most comparable, because it takes place in the same time zone, is the Thriller in Manila, the Muhammad Ali faced off against Joe Frazier. And that fight took place at the same time the Pacquiao-Rios fight is going to take place, around noon, Manila time. And it was one of the greatest fights that I've ever seen in my life. These guys went at it. Finally, Eddie Fletch wouldn't let Joe come out for the 15th round, and Muhammad won the fight. But what I remember most was going outside the Araneta Coliseum that day after the fight was over, and we had just seen this unbelievable fight, and the sun was the brightest that I've ever seen it. And it was almost like everybody was blinded by the daylight. And it was one of the most memorable experiences I ever had in my life. Now almost 50 years from that date, and I still remember it like it was yesterday. I'm looking forward to this event. It has worldwide significance, and I hope that everybody enjoys Saturday night, November 23rd, because they're going to see a great show.
Thank you, Bob. Thanks for joining us. And again, it's 9 p.m. East Coast, 6 p.m. West Coast time, Saturday, November 23, live on pay-per-view, Pacquiao versus Rios. Thanks so much.